Guess where we are? We're at Michael's! Bella's first time in a craft store. So apparently Michael's is a dog-friendly store. So I tested that out a couple weeks ago. I brought Lily out here and they are indeed a dog-friendly store. And I need some things, so I thought, let's see how Bella does. She's been doing really great in her class. And the other two stores I usually take her out to, she's been a good girl. So let's take her somewhere new and see how she does today. Over here. Okay, so we just stopped because walking through the parking lot was a bit much. So we're just kind of soaking everything in. Good. And every time she looks at me, I am giving her a treat. Yes. Good girl. Should we go? Here we are, we're back in the car. Bella, you did so good. She did not bark at anybody, she didn't growl. She was just very, very, very curious the whole time. She loves to watch people. And we even ran into a lady who guessed correctly that she was a long-haired chihuahua, because a lot of people surprisingly do not realize, like when they see her or Lily, they have no clue what kind of dog they are. But this lady knew all about chihuahuas, and Bella was a good girl. She sat patiently while we talked. What are you doing? So I am super happy with how she did today. Bella, that was amazing. Yeah, you are an amazing girl. Alright guys, we're gonna head home. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!